As you progress in your journey as a trader, your broker and other third parties will offer you plugins and accessories for your MT4 platform. These are called expert advisors, or EAs, and most interact with MT4 functionality. Let's look at a couple of examples. There are generally two types of expert advisors. One where a third-party supplier needs to interact with your platform, and the other a coded script which will execute trades automatically. These are often called trading robots or bots. This one, for example, from Acuity Trading, displays news sentiment on a widget and needs to communicate with MT4 to determine from which asset to call up its information. The supplier will furnish the MT4 user with a program which will automatically install the EA as shown here. Before you run any EAs, you need to ensure that you visit Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, and tick Allow Automated Trading and Allow DLL Imports. Also, make sure the Auto Trading box is ticked. There are two ways to run an EA. You may simply click, drag, and drop it onto a chart, or double-click on the EA's name. In this case, a widget pops up and we can test its interactive properties. If we click on the chart, the widget tells MT4 to open the respective chart for this pair. If we click on the Trade button, it tells MT4 to open the order ticket for that pair. Keep in mind that you can only use one expert advisor per chart. To remove an EA, simply right-click on the chart and select Expert Advisors and Remove. The other type of expert advisor is a trading robot. The intention of this video is basically to make you aware of their existence and how they work. MT4 comes with two samples pre-installed, the MACD sample and the moving average. I have displayed 4 charts, installed the MACD sample on 2 and the moving average on 2 others. This robot for the moving average is designed to work on a daily chart and is based on various factors including candles opening and closing above or below a 12-period moving average. This expert advisor also calculates risk based on your account size. The MACD sample opens and closes trades based on parameters using MACD, of course. I have run these examples on a 5-minute chart only to show the trading EA's functionality. This test lasted about 3.5 hours, so I'm going to speed up the recording. Here we can see that the test had already opened and closed a few positions on the moving average EA in $Swiss. Blue arrows and lines indicate a successful trade. As we move along, the moving average EA opens a buy order on pound yen as it thinks a reversal is in progress. 5 minutes later, the same EA opens a buy order on $Swiss. Note here, this expert advisor has opened a much smaller position as it has calculated the risk on the account. At the close of this bear candle, the EA is clearly not happy with this position and it closes the trade for a loss. Again, 7 candles or 35 minutes later, the robot opens a sell position on $Swiss, then closes it a few minutes later for a loss. Meanwhile, as pound yen climbs, our profits on this buy trade increase. Again, these are example EAs and we have only put them into action to illustrate the interactive properties of expert advisors. If we look at our account history covering the period of this test, we see that we actually generated a small profit of 0.36% of our demo account. However, looking closer, we see that one good trade overshadowed a series of bad trades. Again, this is only a sample, and if you wish to use trading robots, you should study these in detail. MT4 also provides you with an option to backtest any trading expert advisor. It can look back at historical price action, but it cannot take into account the history of the spreads, which are higher during the off-peak times, and major news events, which often create volatility and even higher spreads. Simply click on View and select Strategy Tester. A new window appears. You should be in the Settings tab. Select the expert advisor you wish to test, the asset on which you wish to test, the time frame of your strategy, and the historical dates of the test. In this case, we are looking back a few months until today. Click Start. Once the backtest has been completed, you may click the tab Results, which displays a chronological order of the positions. Graph, which shows a graph of the EA success. And Report, which is just that, a profit-loss statement of the EA. Trading expert advisors or robots are not for the beginning trader and are not for everyone. We would highly recommend mastering manual trading first to gain an understanding of how MT4 and the markets work, before delving into the world of automated trading. If you do, you will need to spend a bit of time to study how these work and how to modify and optimize your strategy. In this lesson, we looked at expert advisors for third-party indicators and widgets, expert advisors for automated trading or robots.